In this video, I'm going to show you how to view a hidden game in Steam quickly and easily. If you've ever hidden a game and later couldn't find it, this simple method will help you bring it up in just a few clicks. This is useful if you want to check your full library, manage old games, or unhide something you thought was gone. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once Steam is open, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several options there, and the one you want is View. Click on View to open the drop-down menu. From that menu, find and select Hidden Games. This will take you to a special section inside your Steam library where all of your hidden games are stored. Steam keeps these titles out of your main library view, but they are still there and fully accessible. As soon as you click Hidden Games, you should be able to see every game you've hidden on that account. This makes it very easy to review your hidden titles, launch one if you want, or decide whether to unhide it later. If you are looking for a specific game, this is the fastest way to find it without searching through your entire library. If you want to go a step further, you can also use this area to manage your hidden games more efficiently. For example, if you see a title you no longer want hidden, you can open its options and return it to your regular library. That way, it becomes visible again in your main Steam list. So just to recap, the process is simple. Open Steam, click View from the top menu, and then select Hidden Games. That's all it takes to reveal your hidden titles. If this video helped you out, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.